एक्सरसाइज 1.5 एक्सरसाइज 1.5 classify the following numbers. Question first, classify the following numbers. The following numbers are as rational or irrational. Number 1, 2 minus root 5. Second, 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. Third, 2 root 7 upon 7 root 7. Fourth, 1 upon root 2. Fifth, 2 pi. See here, first solution, 2 is a rational number minus root 5 is a irrational number. We know that rational number minus irrational number, result is always irrational. Rational number minus irrational number, operation between rational number and irrational number, result is always irrational number. So 2 minus root 5 is a irrational number. Next, इसमें देखते हैं. First we solve this one. Open the bracket. 3 plus 20 root 23 minus 23 plus 23 minus 23 cancel out. So the value of this one is 3. 3 is a real rational number or irrational number? 3 is a rational or irrational? 3 is a rational number. So this is a rational number. Now third one. First we solve third one. 2 root 7 upon 7 root 7. Root 7 cancel out. 2 upon 7. 2 upon 7 means 2 is a rational number and 7 is a rational number. Rational number upon rational number. Rational number upon rational number. Result is rational number. Next, 1 upon 2. 1 is a rational number. Root 2 is a irrational number. Root 2 is a irrational number. Rational number upon irrational number, always irrational number, because this is non-zero rational number. So answer is irrational number. Now next, 2 into pi. 2 is a rational number and the value of pi is irrational number. So rational number into irrational, the product is always irrational. The product between rational number into irrational, always irrational number. Note it down. Next question. Question second. Simplify each of the following expression. नंबर 1, बिल्कुल आराम से पढ़ते चले जाओ विदाउट एनी पैनिक. कोई टेंशन नहीं लो, एकदम धीमे धीमे पढ़ते चले जाओ, सब हो जाएगा. ठीक है. 3 प्लस ये सब बेसिक है, 3 प्लस रूट 3, 2 प्लस रूट 2, सेकेंड 3 प्लस रूट 3, 3 माइनस रूट 3, थर्ड रूट 5 प्लस रूट 2 होल स्क्वायर, फोर्थ रूट 5 माइनस रूट 2, ब्रैकेट में रूट 5 प्लस रूट 2. सॉल्व दिस वन. सॉल्यूशन a 2 इंटू 3, a प्लस b इंटू c प्लस d, 2 इंटू 3 6, 2 इंटू रूट 3, 2 into root 3, it is a rational, it is a irrational number, so you write in this form 2 root 3, 6 नहीं कर दोगे, ठीक है. फिर rational into irrational, 3 is a rational, root 2 is a irrational, 3 into root 2, so 3 root 2 plus root 3 into root 2, see 6, 2 root 3, 3 root 2, both are different thing, root 2 into root 3, root 6, ये मल्टीप्लाई में है तो ये मल्टीप्लाई हो गया, दिस इज आंसर. नाउ दिस वन a प्लस b, a माइनस b, सो वी नो दैट a स्क्वायर 3 स्क्वायर माइनस b रूट 3 स्क्वायर, a स्क्वायर 3 स्क्वायर 9, रूट 3 स्क्वायर 3, आंसर इज 6. Now next one, root 5 plus root 2 is whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, root 5 square a square plus b square plus 2 root 5 into root 2, so root 5 square 5, root 2 square 2, 2 root 5 into root 2 root 10, so answer is 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2 root 10, answer. Now this one, root 5 minus root 2, root 5 plus root 2, a plus b, a minus b, so root 5 a square minus b square, root 5 square 5, root 2 square 2 is equal to 3, answer is 3, note it down. Next question number 4, represent root 9.3 on the number line. On the number line, we can represent root 2, root 3, root 5, root 9. It is very easy, we have already discussed. Now how can you represent decimal number root 9.3 on the number line? See, before this explanation, first we explain the general term, how to represent, how to locate root x on the number line. How to locate root x, रूट x कर लेंगे तो उसके बाद x की जगह जो भी वैल्यू रखना चाहे रख देंगे. देखो इसको करने के लिए सिंपल वे, ठीक है. सिंपल वे कैसा कि लेट अस सपोज दैट x इक्वल टू कुछ भी, तो ये हमने ले लिया x, a एंड b, ए बी इज इक्वल टू x, हम जनरल सॉल्यूशन बता रहे हैं, ए बी इज इक्वल टू x, देन एक्सटेंड ए बी टू c, ए बी टू c, दिस वैल्यू इज x, एंड बी सी इज 1 यूनिट, बी सी इज 1 एंड बी सी इज इक्वल टू 1, ठीक है. सो हमारे पास टोटल क्या हो गया, ए सी इज इक्वल टू क्या हो गया, सो ए सी इज इक्वल टू एक्स प्लस 1, ठीक है. ए सी इज इक्वल टू एक्स प्लस 1, इसका क्या कर दो लाइन बाइसेक्टर, इसका क्या करें, लाइन बाइसेक्टर, यहाँ से ये फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट दिस एंड दिस, ज्वाइन दिस वन, दिस इज द मिड पॉइंट, ओके, दिस इज द मिड पॉइंट, मेक हाफ सर्कल, ओके. नाउ दिस पॉइंट इज B. From this point draw a perpendicular to the semicircle this. Draw a perpendicular. This is perpendicular to this point. This is D. Point this is D. Now BD, using compass, with the help of compass make a arc on this one. ऐसे एक arc बना लिया ये. Extend this line to this one. ये point is E. This point is E. BD is equal to BE. BD is equal to BE का क्या बनाया, arc. So this value is root x automatic. This value is x. So final result is BE is equal to x. Now this point is 0, तो this point is root x. अब हम कहाँ से start कर लें, ये 0 है, 1 2 3 4, 0 1 2 3 4 and so on, here -1 -2 -3, so this is a origin point, point 0, so BE is equal to root x. हो गया ड्रॉ, कोई डाउट? हम फिर से देखते हैं हमने क्या किया था. सबसे पहले फर्स्ट वी ड्रॉ ए लाइन ऑफ वैल्यू x, AB is equal to x, then extend AB, produce AB to C, BC is equal to 1. Now total length AC is equal to x plus 1. Then angle bisector of line bisector of AC, क्या करेंगे, line bisector of AC. So line bisector of AC, this one, this point is O. From this O make semicircle. Now draw a perpendicular BD on AC, perpendicular BD on AC. So this perpendicular intersect this semicircle at the point of D. Make arc BD is equal to BE on this line. So BD is equal to BE. This point is B to E is root x. Simple. Now how to locate? Similarly, how to locate root 9.3 on the number line? Solution. How to locate root 9.3 on the number line? Now represent root 9.3 on the number line. First we draw a line segment AB is equal to 9.3, x is equal to 9.3. So first you draw a line AB is equal to 9.3. So this is A, this is B, 9.3, and extend it to C, and it extend it to C. कितना extend किया, C, such that BC is equal to 1 unit, and this value is 1, and AB is equal to 9.3. So total length is AC is equal to 10.3. Now next find the midpoint of AC and mark it as O. Midpoint of AC, that means line segment, line bisect from this one and this, join this one and get the point O and mark it as O. Now draw a semicircle taking O as a center. From this one draw a semicircle. Draw a semicircle and AO is a radius. This is a radius. Semicircle. Now draw BD perpendicular AC. BD perpendicular, this is AC and perpendicular BD. From this point this is BD. BD perpendicular AC. BD perpendicular AC. Draw an arc taking B as a center. Now अब center क्या है, this one. Now center is this one and BD is radius. Draw an arc of taking B as a center and BD as a radius from this one, BD as a radius, B now is a center, this one. Meeting AC produced at E. AC को हमने AC को प्रोड्यूस्ड कहाँ तक किया? E तक. ये आर्क किस पॉइंट पे मिल रहा है? E पॉइंट पे. मीटिंग AC प्रोड्यूस्ड एट E. AC को प्रोड्यूस कहाँ तक किया? E. और E पॉइंट पे ये आर्क आके मिल गया. दैट BE इज इक्वल टू BD. BD इज इक्वल टू BE. बोथ आर रेडियस. BD इज इक्वल टू BE. बोथ आर रेडियस. दिस इज इक्वल टू रूट 9.3. ऑटोमेटिक इट इज इक्वल टू 9.3. So this BD is equal to root 9.3 and this one is 9.3 root 9.3. So this is center point or this is number line. So this point is root 9.3. It is the representation of root 9.3 on the number line. Similarly, you can represent 10.3, 12.3, 12.3 this one and 1, 13.3. Make semicircle and then solve this one. Now next question. Question number 5. Question 5. Rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator of the following. Number 1, 1 upon root 7. How can you rationalize? 1 upon root 7 multiply and divide by root 7. 1 into root 7, root 7, root 7, root 7, 7. This is answer. Second, 1 upon root 7 minus root 6 is equal to, how can you solve this one? 1 upon root 7 minus root 6 into root 7 plus root 6 upon root 7 plus root 6. Here value is negative, so multiplied by positive. Now 1 into this one, root 7 plus root 6. A minus B, A plus B. So root 7 square minus root 6 square. So root 7 plus root 6 upon root 7 square 7 root 6 square 6. So answer is 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. So answer is root 7 plus root 6 upon 1. Value is root 7. Third one, 1 upon root 5 plus root 2. Simple. 1 upon root 5 plus root 2 multiplying both side by root 5 minus root 2 upon root 5 minus root 2. The value is root 5 minus root 2 upon a plus b, a minus b. Root 5 square 5, root 2 square 2. Answer is 1 by 3 रूट 5 माइनस रूट 2. ये सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं होंगे. ठीक है. पार्ट 4th, 1 अपॉन रूट 7 माइनस 2. 1 अपॉन रूट 7 माइनस 2. हाउ कैन यू सॉल्व? 1 अपॉन रूट 7 माइनस 2 मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइडेड बाई रूट 7 प्लस 2 अपॉन रूट 7 प्लस 2. सो आंसर इज root 7 plus 2 upon a square minus b square. Root 7 square 7, root 2 square 4. So answer is 1 by 3 root 7 plus 2. Very simple exercise 1.5. Note it down. If you have any doubts, you can write comment on my YouTube channel. Okay, bye.